Welcome to Weso Health Tips. If you're looking for the best health tips, fun exercises, and delicious healthy recipes, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, share our videos with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the latest health hacks. Let's dive right in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Weso Health Tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: staying fit and healthy without giving up all the fun. Yes, you heard that right. Let's explore the journey of achieving a balanced lifestyle while keeping things enjoyable. First things first, let's talk about the importance of a balanced diet. You don't have to eat like a rabbit to stay healthy, but incorporating a variety of fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains can make a world of difference. Imagine your plate as a colorful canvas, filled with a rainbow of nutritious foods. From the vibrant reds of tomatoes to the deep greens of spinach, each color represents different essential vitamins and minerals. Remember, it's all about balance, not deprivation. A balanced diet includes carbohydrates for energy, proteins for muscle repair, healthy fats for brain function, and fibers for digestive health. And hey, if you're craving that chocolate cake, go ahead and have a slice. Just don't eat the whole cake. Moderation is key. It's perfectly fine to indulge occasionally as long as you maintain overall healthy eating habits. Next up, exercise. I know, the word exercise can sometimes feel like a chore. But guess what? It doesn't have to be. The key to staying active is finding something you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or even hula hooping, there are countless ways to move your body and have fun. Think of exercise as playtime rather than a workout. Start with small, manageable goals. If you're new to exercising, begin with short sessions and gradually increase the duration and intensity. Mix up your routines to keep things interesting. Try yoga on Mondays, a dance class on Wednesdays, and a hike on the weekends. The key is to make it fun and keep moving. Trust me, your body will thank you. Now, let's talk hydration. Drinking enough water is essential for your overall health. It keeps your skin glowing, your energy levels up, and helps your body function properly. Hydration aids in digestion, regulates body temperature, and transports nutrients. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. But remember, individual needs can vary based on activity level, climate, and overall health. If plain water isn't your thing, try adding a splash of lemon, a few mint leaves, or even some cucumber slices for a refreshing twist. Herbal teas and coconut water are also great options. Keep a reusable water bottle with you at all times as a reminder to sip throughout the day. Sleep, oh glorious sleep. Getting enough rest is crucial for your health and well-being. Sleep is when your body repairs and rejuvenates itself. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a bedtime routine to signal your body that it's time to wind down. This could include reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Put away those screens at least an hour before hitting the hay to avoid blue light, which can interfere with your sleep cycle. Consider using blackout curtains and a white noise machine if you have trouble falling asleep. Sweet dreams. Lastly, let's not forget about mental health. Taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your body. Practice mindfulness through meditation, journaling, or simply taking a few moments each day to focus on your breath. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's painting, gardening, or spending time with loved ones. Take breaks when needed and don't hesitate to reach out for support if you're feeling overwhelmed. Whether it's talking to a friend, a family member, or a mental health professional, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Remember, it's okay to not be okay sometimes. Prioritize self-care and make time for activities that nourish your soul. So there you have it, folks, some simple yet effective tips to keep you on track with your health journey. Remember, health is a holistic concept that includes physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.